Hello everyone, good morning.
Good morning.
It's Dawn.
Now, last week we spoke a little bit about fractions. Today I want to talk a little bit more about fractions and how we use them every day. Raise your hand if you have helped your mom or your dad in the kitchen cooking before. 1, 2, okay. And was there certain tools that you used to measure? John, what did you use to help in the kitchen?
Measuring cups.
Measuring
spoons.
cups and spoons. I am really happy you brought up measuring cups because we are going to talk about measuring cups today. You all have some tools in front of you. I know a couple of these look different, but I want you each to hold up your measuring pitcher. And can you please look at that, look at the lines, and see if you can find where it says 1 cup. And when you find it, please place your finger on it so I can make sure everyone has located it. Good. Good job. Perfect. So, let's take a guess. That is 1 cup. What do you think we could do if we didn't have a measuring cup that said 1 cup? We had to use another form of measurement. Do you think we could use smaller cups to make a cup?
Yes, you could use 2 half cups to equal 1 cup.
Okay, let's check. Let's check and see if you're accurate. So you all have measuring cups. I want you to find the one that says a half a cup and raise it up when you find it. All right, good. Now you all have a pitcher of water in front of you. I want you to use your half measuring cup, and I want you to fill it with water and then dump it into your measuring pitcher and see how many times you can fill that half measuring cup to equal 1 cup. Linda, how many times?
2 times.
2 times. So, if I was going to write that as an equation, do you agree that I could write a half a cup plus another half a cup equals a whole cup? Does everyone agree with that?
Yes.
Okay, good. Who has an estimate on what they think if we used 1/4 of a cup? Does anyone want to make a guess? What do you think, John?
4 quarters would make 1 cup.
So you're saying that we could fill our 1/4 cup 4 times to equal a cup. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Linda, what do you think? Do you agree with John or disagree?
I agree.
You agree? Let's find out. To start, we're going to go ahead and dump our water back into our pitchers. And everyone find their 1/4 measuring cup. Okay, good. Linda, what did you get?
I got a cup with 4 of them.
With 4 of them? So, would you say John was accurate then in his first assumption that it was 4? Okay. And if we are going to write that as an equation, 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 1 cup. Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So Linda, what do you think would happen if we used 1/8 of a cup? How many do you think it would take to fill our 1?
Wow, would it take 8?
What do you think, John? Linda thinks 8. Do you agree with her?
I agree.
You agree?
Yes.
Okay, let's Let's try our experiment and see if she is correct.
It did take 8.
It did take 8. John, how many did yours take?
8.
8? So we all agree that it took 8 1/8 measuring cups to equal a cup, right?
Yes.
Let's write that out as an equation. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 1/8 1 plus 1. So 8/8 equals a cup, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So, what if we were to switch things up a little bit? What if you wanted to use a 1/2 cup and a 1/4 cup? How could we do that?
Well, 2/4 equals a half, so it'd be a half plus a quarter plus a quarter.
So you think if we did a 1/2 cup plus a 1/4 cup plus a 1/4 cup, we could make a cup.
Yes.
Linda, do you agree with him?
Yes.
Yes, you didn't look sure. How about let's all test it and see if that would work. I'm really happy with how careful everyone is using their tools and using them correctly, so I appreciate it. Thank you. Linda?
It did work.
It
made
did
a
work?
cup.
So you agree with John. Okay, so this is accurate. Let's say we wanted to be really crazy and we wanted to use 3 measuring cups. What if we wanted to use a 1/2 cup, a 1/4 cup, and an 1/8 of a cup? How could we do that? Does anyone have an idea? Do you want to dump your water back in and try some measuring? So we want to use a 1/2 and a 1/4 and an 1/8. But a 1/2, a 1/4, and an 1/8. If we did one of each, is that going to equal a cup?
No.
No? I think we're going to have to add some more to it to equal a cup. What do you think?
Yes.
Okay. Linda, you look like you almost have a cup.
Almost. Trying to decide how much more to add.
John, you almost have a cup as well. So tell me what you've added so far, John.
I did 1/2 cup plus a 1/4 of a cup plus 1/8 of a cup.
Okay. Linda, what have you added?
That's what I did.
Okay. And we all agree that that doesn't equal a cup, right?
Right.
So if we were going to add something else, who has an idea what they want to add to that?
I'd maybe add one more eighth of a cup.
You want to try adding an eighth of a cup? What about you, Linda? What would you add?
I'll try it.
You want to try an eighth too? Okay, let's try an eighth of a cup and see what happens.
Well, now equals 1 cup.
Mine too.
All right, so we added a half a cup, a fourth of a cup, an eighth of a cup, an eighth of a cup, and that equaled a cup.
Wow, that's interesting.
So you guys have done a really good job. Have a worksheet. It's just using the exact same tools that we've been using. And I just want you to work on these independently. And that way I can learn your knowledge that you have on measuring cups.